Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into the world of creativity with what we like to call the best fall stamps for kids, the JOYIN 50 PCs Assorted stamps. This set is a delightful collection of self-inking stamps that promises to bring joy and imagination to any child's day. Imagine a bright autumn day filled with laughter, arts and crafts, and plenty of colorful designs. These stamps are perfect for adding that extra flair to birthday parties, school projects, or simply to keep the kids entertained at home. With 50 unique designs, there's something for every occasion, whether it's Halloween, Christmas, or just a fun day indoors. As we explore these stamps, let's talk about the vibrant colors and clear patterns they offer. Each stamp is pre-inked, ensuring that every impression is bright and bold. Kids can enjoy stamping on paper, cards, or even fabric, allowing their creativity to flow freely without the mess of traditional ink pads. What sets this set apart is the variety. From adorable zoo animals to festive holiday themes, these stamps cater to a wide range of interests. Picture your child's delight as they create their own greeting cards, decorate their schoolwork, or even fill goodie bags for friends. This versatile toolkit is not just fun, it's also a fantastic way for kids to express themselves artistically. Now, let's discuss the convenience of these self-inking stamps. Unlike traditional stamps that require separate ink pads, these come ready to use. Just press and stamp. This feature makes them incredibly easy for little hands to operate, promoting independence and fine motor skills in children. Plus, the hassle-free cleanup means parents can relax while their kids get creative. And here's something special. The JOYIN stamp set includes a pop-up display stand. This isn't just a clever way to keep the stamps organized, it also adds a touch of elegance to your crafting space. Kids will love showing off their stamp collection, making it easy for them to choose their favorites for each project. In addition to being a source of entertainment, these stamps are also excellent for educational purposes. Teachers can use them in the classroom as rewards or to encourage participation in fun activities. They're also great for parents looking to add a playful element to homework or reading time. Whether you're preparing for a birthday party, looking for fun activities for the kids, or simply wanting to encourage creativity, this stamp set is a perfect choice. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more fantastic product reviews. Happy stamping, and see you next time.